Vacuums dragging you down, pet hair wrapping around brushes, and batteries dying halfway through your house? This lightweight, cordless vacuum stands on its own, destroys tangles, packs monster 48,000 PA suction, and gives you a full 65 minutes to clean 2,000 plus square feet. Today, we put the UNINELL UV2 to the test. Welcome back to Home and Kitchen, where we help you find the best tools to keep your home spotless and comfortable. Today, we're reviewing the UNINELL HOME UV2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a lightweight stick vacuum boasting impressive specs. 48,000 PA suction from a 550-watt brushless motor, up to 65 minutes of runtime, tangle-resistant technology for pet owners, and a convenient self-standing design. If you're tired of heavy, corded vacuums or dealing with constant hair tangles, this one claims to solve those problems. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. If you find this product appealing, it is available for purchase at the most competitive price through the link provided in the description. Thank you for your consideration. Right out of the box, the UV2 feels premium for its category. You get the main stick vacuum unit, a telescopic pole, the powered floor brush with that green searchlight, a 2-in-1 combination tool, a crevice tool, a wall mount charging dock that doubles as storage, extra HEPA filters, and a user manual. The build quality is solid, lightweight at just 2.1 pounds in handheld mode, with a sleek design and a satisfying matte finish. The self-standing feature is immediately noticeable. It stands upright on its own, which is a huge convenience during quick pauses or storage in small spaces. The LED display on the handle is a nice touch. It shows battery percentage clearly and flashes alerts for blockages in the brush roll or air duct. First, the power. This vacuum delivers up to 48,000 pascals of suction thanks to its 550-watt brushless motor. That's seriously strong for a cordless model in this price range. It offers 3 modes: bare floor for gentle cleaning on hardwood or tile, carpet for everyday messes, and turbo for deep cleaning stubborn debris. In bare floor mode, you get the full 65 minutes of runtime, plenty to cover a 2,000 plus square foot home on one charge. The battery is a high-capacity 6-cell 2,200 milliamp hour pack that recharges in about 4 hours, and charging is flexible. Use the wall dock for 2-in-1 storage and charging, charge the removable battery separately, or plug in the whole unit. Pet owners will appreciate the V-shaped tangle-resistant roller brush. It actively prevents long hair and pet fur from wrapping around the brush, a common frustration with other stick vacuums. During testing on carpets and rugs, hair and fur lifted cleanly without tangles. The built-in green searchlight on the floor head is a standout feature. It illuminates hidden dust, pet hair, and crumbs under furniture and in low light areas. You'll be surprised how much you've been missing. Maneuverability is excellent. The head lies flat to 180 degrees and swivels 270 degrees, so it glides easily under beds, sofas, and tight corners. Switch to handheld mode in seconds for stairs, upholstery, or car cleaning. The dual handle design reduces arm strain, and the lightweight build makes it easy to carry upstairs. Emptying is hands-free with a one-touch dust ejection. Just point over the trash and release. The 1.6-liter dust cup is oversized for fewer trips to the bin, and both the cup and cyclone core are fully washable. The HEPA filtration captures 99.9% of fine dust, pet dander, and allergens, great for anyone with allergies or pets. In use, the suction feels powerful across all modes. It handles everyday debris, pet hair, and even larger particles without issue. The green light really helps spot missed areas, and the tangle-free brush lived up to its promise: no manual cleaning mid-session. Pros: Exceptional suction for the price, long 65-minute runtime, excellent pet hair performance with tangle resistance, green searchlight is genuinely useful, self-standing and easy storage, versatile handheld conversion, strong EPA filtration. 2-year warranty plus lifetime technical support from UNINELL Home. Cons. Turbo mode drains the battery faster, so expect shorter runtime there. At full weight with pole, it's still lightweight, but not the absolute lightest on the market. Overall, this is a well-rounded cordless vacuum that punches above its weight class. The UNINELL Home UV2 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers powerful 48,000 pascal suction, impressive battery life, smart features like the green light and tangle-free brush, and thoughtful conveniences like self-standing design, all in a lightweight, versatile package. If you're looking for an effective cordless vacuum for pet hair, mixed flooring, or whole home cleaning without breaking the bank, this is a strong contender. It earns a solid recommendation from Home & Kitchen. Have you tried the UV2 or a similar cordless vacuum? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear. If this review helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more home appliance reviews and tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay clean.